and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on today's video. As you can probably tell, I am doing another weekly grocery haul for you. So just a little bit of information about us is there's just the two of us working full time, and this here is the groceries for 1 week. So we try to meal plan where possible just to save wastage and stuff like that, and we don't mind eating the same thing a couple of nights during the week. So this week we plan to make a chicken tikka, a chicken laksa, as well as a Spanish chorizo and rice dish. So if these kind of videos are something that interests you, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that little bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Okay, let's get unpacking. So the first thing that I got this week is 2 loaves of Fibre One wholemeal bread. And then I got 4 cans of coconut milk. So that will be for the laksa and for the chicken tikka this week. I also got some bok choy. That will go into the laksa. Some capsicums for the Spanish chorizo rice dish. A iceberg lettuce. I think this is just for some sandwiches and stuff during the week. I have some tuna in the fridge and I like to have tuna salad sandwiches. I have some Roma tomatoes here. I have a bag of the gourmet tomatoes that will go into the Spanish pasta dish. Not pasta, rice, don't worry about me. Just a couple of toiletries here, some deodorant for him and for her. I got 3 Campbell's chicken stocks. So these are for the laksa dish as well as the chicken tikka. I think has a small amount in it as well. So it was actually cheaper for me to buy 3 of these this week than the 2 that I needed, but that's okay because it's always good to have backup on hand. It was cheaper because I think you buy 2 and you get 1 free, so that worked out pretty well. Some tomato paste, laksa paste, some Monster energy drink. So this is for my husband. He is a shift worker and this seems to help him get through the shifts, so not complaining. If that's what works for him, then go for gold. So from the meat section, I got some chorizo to go in the Spanish chorizo rice dish, and I also got 6 chicken breasts, and they are for the chicken tikka as well as the laksa. And also got a 30 pack of Pepsi Max and a 24 pack of no sugar solo. So that's all of the food shopping for this week. So this lot came to, I think it was like just over $160. Maybe like $160.20 or something like that. I usually do my Coles online order to be delivered on a Sunday, but because of the Easter long weekend and public holiday, all the time slots were sold out, so I ended up having to have this one delivered on Monday, and this is actually the first time that I haven't had like substituted or missing items that I've had to end up going to the supermarket for to get later anyway. So maybe I need to change my routine up a little bit and place orders for delivery on Monday, which will work fine because I normally work from home Mondays anyway, so I will be here for that delivery. It just means that I'll have to start meal prepping a little bit later in the week. When I say later in the week, I mean Monday. So let me know whether you do your food shopping online or not, whether you prefer Coles or whether you prefer Woolworths. I have been thinking about switching it up and trying Woolworths just to see whether things work out a little bit cheaper or whether Coles is the way to go. Let me know your thoughts. On the odd occasion, I do go into places like Aldi or Foodworks or Foodland just to top up a few bits and pieces. But yeah, this is everything here that we have that should get us through the week. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you for sticking around to the end, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, until next time guys, I'll see you later. Bye!